Good morning, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Welcome to all of you to this video lecture. I am Manojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, today I want to solve another most important math from chapter number 5, that is financial statement of joint stock company. Okay, dear students, my dear students, you know that this chapter is compulsory for you, so you should be more attentive in this lecture. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. My dear students, today I want to solve a math from Rajshahi Board 2019. Math number 2. The math is authorized capital of Moitri Limited is 25 lakh taka divided into 2 lakh 50,000 shares of taka 10 is. The trial balance as at 31st December 2018 of the company is given below. At first, debit side. Leasehold property, its fixed asset, income tax and interim dividend, irregular expenses, opening stock of goods, direct expense, purchase direct expense, wages direct expense, salaries, operating expense, machineries, fixed asset, accounts receivable, current asset, bank balance current asset, goodwill fixed asset, underwriters commission, fictitious assets. Okay, dear students. On the other hand side, share capital, shareholders equity, 12% debenture long-term liabilities, sales direct revenues, share premium, shareholders equity, income tax reserve irregular income, reserve fund, shareholders equity, accounts payable current liability, and retained earnings 1st January 2018 10,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now some adjustment and requirements. Closing stock of goods valued taka 1,60,000, in which goods destroyed by fire is included taka 5,000. My dear students, goods destroyed by fire will be deducted from purchase account and it will also be shown as non-operating expense. Okay, dear students. But when goods destroyed by fire will be included in closing stock, then it will be deducted from closing stock in comprehensive income statement and second time will be deducted in statement of financial position. Okay, dear students. Number 2, dividend with interim dividend is to be declared at the rate of 10%. My dear students, we know that dividend will be calculated on paid up capital. Number 3, reserve fund is to be raised up to 90,000 taka. My dear students, in the trial balance credit side, a reserve fund is available 75,000 taka. So, newly reserve fund will be created, the amount of 90,000 taka minus 75,000 taka, that is 15,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Number 4, underwriters commission is to be written off by 50%. My dear students, we know that underwriters commission written off is one kind of operating expenses. Okay, dear students. However, requirements A, determine the amount of dividend payable, determine the amount of gross profit or gross loss, and prepare shareholders equity statement assuming net profit 2,80,000 taka for the year ended 31st December 2018. Okay, dear students. Now let's go to solve the math. Now solution. Requirement A, determination the amount of dividend payable. My dear students, we know that dividend will be calculated on paid up capital. So here paid up capital 10 lakh taka into 10%, that is 1 lakh taka, minus interim dividend according to question 20,000 taka. So dividend payable 80,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B, that is determination the amount of gross profit or gross loss using comprehensive income statement. At first, net sales revenues 7,27,000 taka less cost of goods sold. Here opening stock of goods 1,20,000 taka plus net purchase. Here purchase 4,07,000 taka minus goods destroyed by fire 5,000 taka. So 4,02,000 taka plus other direct expenses. Here wages 1,20,000 taka. So goods available for sale 6,42,000 taka less net closing stock of goods Here closing stock of goods 1,60,000 taka minus goods destroyed by fire 5,000 taka. So net closing stock of goods 1,55,000 taka. So cost of goods sold 4,87,000 taka. Now 7,27,000 taka minus 4,87,000 taka. So gross profit 2,40,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now requirement C, that is preparation of owner's equity statement or shareholders equity statement. My dear students, we know that shareholders equity statement will be started in this math with opening balance of share capital 10 lakh taka, reserve fund 75,000 taka, share premium 90,000 taka, retained earnings 10,000 taka. So total 11 lakh 75,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Plus current year net profit 2 lakh 80,000 taka will be added to retained earnings and also to total amount column. Now income tax will be deducted from retained earnings column and also be deducted from total amount column. Interim dividend also will be deducted from retained earnings column and from total amount column. Income tax reserve will be added to retained earnings column and also will be added to total amount column. Now proposed dividend will be deducted from retained earnings column and also be deducted from total amount column. But net profit transfer to general fund will be added to reserve fund and it will be deducted from retained earnings column but will not be shown in total amount column. Okay, dear students. Now total share capital 10 lakh taka, total reserve fund 90,000 taka, total share premium 90,000 taka, retained earnings 1,65,000 taka and total 13,45,000 taka. My dear student, 13,45,000 taka is called closing balance. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of requirement C. Thank you so much. No more today. Best of luck.